Everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound and Gray Man Prepping. I'm going to put this on both channels because this applies to both preppers and homesteaders. Alrighty, so what I have here, something I've been talking about, and you've seen it in the background here on a lot of my videos. Aim it here a little bit better here. This is my water filter system. It's countertop. Between the bottom and the top, it'll hold 6 gallons. This is a 5-stage plus one filtration system. It's basically the Zen water filter system, but this is the generic version, but it uses the exact same filters within it. The filters being, like this here's the Zen filter, the ceramic one. So this is the ceramic filter that goes up here in the top. Put it away here. And it stops quite a bit of material, just this in itself. You got to take it and every now and then run some water over it and wipe it off. The stuff builds up on it because it's stopping it from getting through. So, but I've been lately, because the Zen ones are so expensive, I've been getting another brand here. Yeah, Korea. Sorry, water filter. And what's interesting on this one here, this one actually puts more information out than the Zen does. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to read this or not, but it says, basic, very tiny pore structure, 0.2 micron to 0.5 micron. So the holes, the largest the holes are, is half a micron. But they've measured down to 0.2 of a micron. All right. And so this will stop. I mean, basically, this is twice as good as the filters you get in a lot of other ones. I'm not saying that, I'm not going to name the name of the big one in the metal can and everything else that you can't see what your water level is, that everyone claims is the best one around, which by chance still has several states that does not allow that other one to be sold because it doesn't match its claims. But this one does match its claims and is able to be sold in all the states. Now down here in the lower portion of it here, you have one of these 5-stage filters. And so you got all your different rocks and ceramic beads and stuff like that. But basically on this one here, same thing. I get these for in a 4-pack, a lot cheaper. So you got your granulated activated charcoal, ionic charged resins, far infrared ceramic balls, silica sand, and mineral stones. So this is what it works, and I get months and months of use out of this. Even when my wife is here and we're going through a lot of water, it works. It works really good. I've also taken my aquarium fish test on it, and the water's so much better than what comes out of the tap. So yeah, this is what I use. This is what we've used here for years. Oh, coming on 4 years now, maybe 5. So I got the big one. I got the big one for my house. I have a smaller one over at the other house that my daughter's using, and so yeah, it just works so great, and the water tastes so much better. So whether you're a homesteader and you're on well water, or you're on city water, or whether you're a prepper and you want to have emergency water filtration, this is the best thing out there I have found so far. Now people are probably going to say, "Oh no, this other one, the metal one beginning with the letter B, is so much better." No, it's not. I've compared that one to this. This outperforms that one 10 times as good, is my opinion. All right, and also in a lot of state agencies refuse, or several. There's at least 3 states that I know that are still refusing the other one to be sold in their state because it does not meet what it claims to do, and it's there's legal issues on that, so I'm not going to dig into that. You can go research that if you want. But I know Iowa is one of the states that has banned. Anyways, this is what I use. If you're going to get something, this is a lot more inexpensive than that high dollar name brand one, which doesn't work. And yeah. So anyways, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps, food, water, other needs, medicals and other needs. And you want to make sure you're fully prepped because you don't want this to happen to you.